Now I might do another video on this later, because I still have to adjust that wire for the music box, but I just want to show you that the cuckoo is working properly. He's lifting his pitchfork up and down. And again, I don't have the wire attached for the music, because I had to take the movement all the way back out, because what I like to call Pac-Man came off on me. So I had to take the movement all the way back out and put it back on. And even though this clock was made in, this clock was made in 1966, I believe. That's what I said. The movement is not an Schmeckenbecher movement in it, and it's dated 1986. So 20 years later, approximately, they swapped out the movement. Or in 2006, when they tried to fix the music box, they might have swapped out the movement then. But we'll play the music for you one more time. If I could get my big head in there and trip it. As you can see, the ladder, the guy is going up the ladder. She's coming out of the box, and he's coming down the ladder. So this movement hasn't been like this since at least 2006. The reason I want to stop this video now is because this video is going to be a long video, and I want to put out everything that I got on it. I also wanted to show you this. I end up having to and get my clock back in there. I end up having to put the lever. These clocks are so fragile, and I need a butterfly nut on here. I end up having to put the wire on the bellow. Not like in my friend's clock, but I had to put the wire on the bellow because on this clock, the guy has the pitchfork raised so far up in the air that for me, attaching that wire, that short wire from here to here, was causing a bind on the cuckoo. So again, I hope y'all like this video set. Please leave me comments, and when I got the thing all back together, I might do another short video on it. But like I said, in repairing this, even though I was being careful, I caused some damage. So I have a lot of work to do to it still. And I still have to trim up touch up the roof where I took those boards off. I still got to put those boards on. I still have to put part of the ladder that wasn't on there when I got the clock. But the clock is functioning as intended. I hope y'all like this video set. May God bless. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.